In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live streaming on Zoom 2025, quick and easy. We'll turn on the live streaming option in your Zoom account and then start a stream to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or a custom RTMP destination. First, open a web browser and go to zoom.us. Sign into your Zoom account through the web portal. This needs to be done in the browser, not just the desktop app, because the streaming controls live in your web settings. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. Scroll down to the In Meeting, Advanced section. If you don't want to scroll, use the Settings search bar and type Allow Live Streaming to jump right to it. You're looking for a toggle labeled Allow Live Streaming of Meetings. Switch that on. Right below it, you'll see checkboxes for the platforms you want to use, such as YouTube, Facebook, and custom live streaming service for RTMP. Select the ones you plan to stream to. If the toggle is locked or grayed out, that means your Zoom admin has restricted it at the account or group level, so you'll need them to unlock it. When you're done, click Save to confirm your changes. With that enabled, you're ready to set up a live stream for a meeting. You can do this when you schedule a meeting or during a live meeting. When you're in the meeting controls, click the More button, the one with the 3 dots. Choose Live On and then pick your platform, like Live on YouTube or Live on Facebook. Zoom will guide you through the remaining prompts in your browser so you can confirm the destination and go live. If you're using a custom RTMP destination, choose Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. You'll see 3 fields: Stream URL, Stream Key, and Live Page URL. Copy these from your streaming platform and paste them into Zoom exactly as provided. The Stream Key is sensitive. Keep it private. The Live Page URL is simply the viewing link where your audience will watch. When everything is set, start the live stream. Zoom will display a live indicator so you know you're broadcasting. Give yourself a moment to confirm the stream is healthy on your destination platform. A quick tip: start a minute early on the platform with audio muted to check video and titles, then unmute when you're ready. And when you're finished, end the stream from Zoom and, if needed, stop it on the destination platform as well. That's it. Your Zoom meetings are ready to go live with just a few clicks.